Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation 2012 to year 2019. And if you're trying to find where the fuse is located for the instrument cluster, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, or that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you guys actually have 3 fuse boxes for your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood. I'm gonna start with this one, show you, but the fuse is actually not there. It's in another place, hidden location. Now, this fuse box is right here in the corner. If you look, hybrid or non-hybrid, it's right there. Now, if your instrument cluster does not work, which fuse you need to check? You need to go to the second fuse box, which is located, okay, in the foot section right here on the passenger side. We remove that cover, you can see this cover, and right here we have a fuse box, guys, okay, and that fuse box actually, okay, it's right there, you can see just like that. And let me get something to point with, okay, give me 1 second just to grab something, and I'm going to show you now the fuse that we need to check. It's number 69. So 69, if you look at the fuses on the top right corner, you have a number, and 69 is that 5 amp fuse, guys. That's the one for the instrument cluster that you need to check. If it doesn't work, check this one out. We'll have a video how to replace instrument cluster as well. All that will be covered in this channel. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.